Hey everyone, some Disney Toys here, and today I'm super excited to bring you the claw. This thing looks super awesome and I can't wait to play with it. Let me show you guys around the box. The front shows our awesome red claw machine, and this gives you a closer look at the controls. Look at all the candy that's in the claw machine. Sadly, no candies provided. This side shows us that we're going to need 3 D batteries, and again, they're not included. Here's everything taken out of the box. Here are the instructions. Let's start peeling away the plastic. I love these claw machine games. Let me know in the comments what the coolest thing you've got from one is. So the instructions say that we need to untie the claw. And hidden at the bottoms are tokens. This is also where the tokens are going to go once we use them. And here we're going to need the screwdriver to undo this. This is where our batteries are going to go. Let's turn it on. Here's our bag of tokens. Look at all these tokens we have. Imagine all the stuff we can win with these tokens. But first we need to fill our machine. We're going to fill the machine through this top part here. And I don't know about you guys, but a super cool prize to me would be Shopkins. More Shopkins and more Shopkins. We're going to need a lot of Shopkins to fill this up. Look at how many Shopkins are in here. Let's take a closer look. Do you guys see any ones you want? I'm definitely seeing some ultra rares in there. So that opening is where our prize comes out. That slot is where we put our token. The first lever goes forward and backwards. The middle one goes left and right, and then the right one goes up and down. All right, I can't wait any longer. Let's start playing. Ooh, I didn't know there'd be music. So the machine lets you keep playing for 60 seconds. So I'm gonna try to grab multiple Shopkins. Come on, Shopkins. Oh, just missed. I'll try again. Got him! Oh man, the music's getting faster. That must mean the time's about to run out. Let's see if I can sneak in another one before the time runs out. Oh, I just missed, and we're out of time. I got one prize, and it's Crispy Chip, a Season 1 rare Shopkin. Let's play again. Oh, I missed again. Come on. Whoa, it's barely hanging on. Steady, steady. Please don't drop, please don't drop, please don't drop. Woo! Got it! Let's see if I can get another one. Yay! I got a second one! This one's name is Strawberry Kiss, and it's another rare Shopkin. And our second one is Alpha Soup, another rare Shopkin. That was a great turn. I hope this one's just as good. just missed. Ah, and it just dropped again. Come on. Oh. Oh, it's just not hanging on. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Time's almost running out. Oh, I got one. Let's see if I can drop it before the time runs out. No! I was so close. My Shopkins stuck in the claw. Gonna have to use another token. There you go, Shopkin. Be free. Let's see what else I can grab. This machine is super realistic. It's just like the ones in the arcade. Yay, I got another one! Our first Shopkin's name is Tooths. It took 2 tokens to get this one. And our second one's name is Sally Shakes, and it's another rare Shopkin. We've been getting a lot of rare Shopkins, but I'm on the hunt for an ultra rare, and I spy one right there. Come on, ultra rare! Oh, I keep missing! Oh, there's a Shopkin blocking it. Oh, whoops! That's not the one I wanted, but I'll take it. Let's see if I can go back for the ultra rare now. Why does it keep slipping? Oh, I ran out of time. Here's the Shopkin we did get. This one's name is Bubbles, and it's another rare Shopkin. But I'm still on the hunt for that ultra rare. Let's try again. This Shopkin really doesn't want to get out of there. Come on! I got you this time. No! Still missed. I'm running out of time. Ugh, out of time. Well, here's everything we did get today. Maybe next time I'll be able to get an ultra rare. If you guys want to see me try again, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Well, this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!
Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.